Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, and Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator, Empowering and Transformational Coach, and your friend to take today's question. Share my insight around it. Waiting for you to join in. Hello, Mish. See you again. Hello, Kanika. Welcome. Good morning, darling. Good morning, Sahasta. Hello, 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 everyone joining in. How are you guys? How's the morning? How's the Josh? Hello, 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 hello. So, Mesh, how many lies are you using to stop yourself? Wow. Hello, Ritu. So, how many lies are you using to stop yourselves? Are you guys even using lies? Do you even know that you're using lies? Do you guys think that you ever lie to yourself? Is my question to you first. Hello, Payal. Good morning. Yeah, thank you, Mesh. Hey, Kanika. So, it's like, we're always lying to ourselves. We're always we think people are lying to us, and we are buying those lies, and it's we need somebody to blame all the time rather than actually acknowledging that do we truly desire to create something in our lives which is like greater, or we are just looking for excuses that we cannot create in our life. Hello, Prakhar. Good morning. So it's like, what all where did you learn to buy lies? And it's so amazing that you do not even come to know that you have bought that lie. And it's like you pretend that you're present with everybody, you're present in life, you're doing everything correct and right, but internally, deep down, how much of a anger and angst and irritations are you holding in your bodies and systems that you don't even know? And that actually leads you to depressions, that leads you to anxiety, because we are lying to ourselves 24/7. Anything you desire in life is not possible. It doesn't become possible because you have given a lie so that you keep trying hard to have it. So it's like a mantra of the life, no, that we have to make things hard to have it, because if you'll have it too easy, then you'll be the weird one. So I was just laughing with my friends this morning in the class that how, last night I was partying with my friends, and how I'm rated to be the most weirdest person around. So everybody loves it, but then everybody says I'm so weird. Nobody gets me. Why don't they get me? Because it's like I'm always in question. I'm always there, like, because there's nothing to be holding around me. I'm willing to introspect myself all the time, and it's not about others ever. It's about you. But then you want to hold on to yourself and beat yourself rather than questioning and changing it. So it's like if you start actually today deep down looking into your world. Hello, Janvi. Good morning. So it's like deep down in your world, what is it? What lies are you giving yourself of not choosing what you really truly desire in your life? If you really want something, you will have it. Stop lying to yourself. And you would still say that you are not lying to yourself, but it is. It was very weird that I just really recently realized that I had this anger and angst held in my life from my childhood, from my parents, or something that was so holding strong in my world that I didn't even know. And I was so cut off with the world. And I was like, people don't interact with me. Am I the weird one? Or like, what's up with me? But it was not about people, it was about me. And I was really asking questions, and it showed up, and it was so weird that, almost 40 years later, I'm acknowledging that I have been holding an anger from my childhood. And the moment I let it go, it's been so relieving and relaxing. But the lie had been given that I'm doing everything perfect, everything good. So what's not showing up? So what if actually, because we run away from the word lie, what if you stop running away from the word lie anymore? And actually say, and can you lie to yourself? Of course, you can lie to yourself, and you lie to yourself all the time. So, whose lies, what lies, and how many of your own lies are you buying to not create in your life what you truly desire? Just an insight, just to look within your own selves, that there is a world in you which you are totally hiding away from yourself, where you do not want to go and see yourself, because that'll be a judgment. Good morning, Shivani. How are you? So, what lies and how many lies? So, I would really add how many lies, because I'm done. I'm really done with my lies. I've been really breaking since morning with all my lies in my world. And it's never about others, it's all about you. And if anybody is coming in front of you, and you know, I have always hated lies, and I really catch people when they're lying, because how I can catch is because I am lying to myself all the time. Hey Simran, good morning. So you can only catch something in others what you have in you. And now when I'm willing to see it, it's so melting and so at times overwhelming. But then I'm like, hey, infinite being can't be overwhelmed. So it's okay to see myself, and because somewhere lying is shame, and you don't want to see you as shameful. So I'm very vulnerable about myself. So I'm willing to go see, and I've been seeing it my spaces and places, and I'm like, okay, I'm done with lies. And it's if the people in front of me are coming who are only lying, is because somewhere deep down I'm lying to myself. They're just projecting me. So if you really, really hate lies, and you most of the time I've seen people actually give up the temperamentally, because they're like, everything you can do, don't lie to me. And I've always been one, do anything, talk anything to me, don't lie to me. And that's how my Facebook request thing also showed up, that AI plays. I really keep playing them, and so it just said, don't break my trust. What does that mean? And I'm like, what is that now? Break my trust? Who can break my trust other than myself? Which means I have a point of view around the lies, which means I am lying to me. So everywhere you guys are lying to yourself and not acknowledging, would you like to look at it into your worlds today and find who all are you lying to yourself for? Wow, I can catch lie as I'm lying to myself. Yes. We can only catch something, we can only judge into somebody else when we have it in ourselves. So yeah, Shivani says same here. Do anything but don't lie. So how much are you lying to yourself? Hello Nadi, good morning. So welcome. So it's like, actually, if you start playing it, it's so much of fun. I wonder if you guys have been playing with the other tools we have been discussing here every morning, and it's changing in your world. Can I have your feedbacks, guys, if you really don't bother? Because does it really make sense for me to come and talk here? If it's not actually contributing, then I'm okay not to be coming and talking, because that's just my interesting point of views. So I just come chat. But if it's working, please let me know. If it's not working, then I can stop chitter chattering with you guys, and taking your times. But if it's working, please let me know, because these are just it's not that I want you guys to take my point of view. I'm just like, please go introspect yourself, because there's nothing that is outside which is troubling you. It's within you which is troubling you, and everything is just a joy of a life that is actually showing. Ritu says yes, please, a great gift. Awesome. Ritu, you, I can deal otherwise. Thank you. No, I receive it. Thanks, Prakar. Thanks, Umesh. Awesome. So look into your worlds today. Any questions around the lies anymore? I know it's very difficult to deal with anger at times, but give up this point of view. It's difficult to deal with anger. Good morning, Mona darling. Yes, it always works. So it's very contributive. Awesome, Shivan. Thanks for your feedbacks, guys. Because I was like, I just go and blabber myself and just come back, and what else is possible? Thank you. I get angry with lies. Payal says yes. So much it's contributing. Thank you for being a gift. Thanks, Parata. Awesome, Simran. Yeah, thank you. I think I'm just like, I keep laughing and chatting with you. That's more effective than rather than my questions that I'm giving at times. I'm like, am I just stupidly going there and talking every morning? But thank you for keeping me up there. I would be here. Thank you so much. So yeah, so any other questions? So Payal, if you said I get angry with lies, so could you please today look into your world? How many lies are you giving to yourself? And just, you don't have to really think about it. Just ask and let everything come up in your worlds, and surface it up, and please be vulnerable to look at. Um, Nothing is ever wrong, nothing is ever right, everything just is. And we have been so far for years and eons of years, we have been subsiding our lies, our negative factors. And like yesterday on the call, somebody said positive. I'm like, this positive word gives me like how. Paratas, I know we love your bug Simran. You're so sweet. Parita, yes, your laughter is a big gift. Heal the world with your laughter. Thank you. Release is ease on planet. Yes. So what all can be released today by actually looking into the worlds? Where are we willing to be the positive is the worst judgment that you can hold in your lives, because then you're holding that energy to be like that. You have to look certain way, you have to be certain way, you have to present yourself. It's like getting 100 marks in the class, guys, and then you are asked to get 100 marks every time, and if even if half a marks go and the parent asks like, where's that half mark gone? So that expectation level we build, and how much we actually kill ourselves. And for that, to keep that thing up there, how many judgments do we like put on ourselves? And positive judgments, so give up. So what if it's not about positive negative, it's about light and heavy? And what if it's not about lies and truth? There is no truth on the planet, there is no lie on the planet. Everything is just a choice, and we have bought and bifurcated things into lies and truth. There is no truth. Your truth is only good for you, not for me, not for any other person. So just say, so get out of these definitions of the lies and the truth, and stop lying to yourself. Have fun with yourself, enjoy yourself, and you are perfect, you're awesome, you're as it is, whatever you are the best person on the planet. You're already contributing, like every tree contributes. You know how I really look at nature. I love nature, I love animals. Not that I'm very, very fond of touching animals, but I love watching them. So whenever I see a tree, it's like right now also when while talking, if I can see that my trees here, it's like, and they're just like moving, and they're just like so gifting at the moment. Are they thinking, am I fat, am I this, am I that, am I good, am I bad? They're just contributing. So is your body contributing wherever, whatever in the day you are, howsoever you are. Oh my God, yes, positive addiction. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Light. Awesome, great. So learn from trees, guys. If something goes, learn from trees, start looking at the trees and watch them. They are not judging themselves. They are not in the lies. They are not in the truths. They are just are. So even if you're judging, judge yourself. Sit aram se. Cheers to yourself and go judge yourself. I mean, talk your heart out to judge yourself and the world. You want to judge your friends, you want to judge your families, go judge them. But don't have a point of view around it. Why the hell am I judging? First, I always laugh. I used to laugh with my husband. It's like how you have killed the animal and you're not even eating it. At least be kind to that animal who gave up the life. At least eat it. Then don't think that should I eat non-veg or should I not eat non-veg. I mean, animal didn't have a point of view. The animal has already died. So please eat the body, at least what you killed it for, rather than thinking, now should I eat or not eat? Today is Tuesday, today is Monday. So I really don't get all these concepts. Hello Nitish, how are you? Good to see you. So great, I think that's if I'll be here, I'll keep talking as I do always. So unless you guys have a question, I can leave now. Hope everybody got it. I know it's a big thing. Lies is a very, very big thing that we fight all the time with ourselves. So today look in the world, and anybody who's lying in your lives, if you have a partner, if you have your family, if you have your friends who you really get bugged with because they lie a lot, please send your thank you to them. Send a big hug to them, because they're actually projecting at you, and they're like, hey man, you're lying to yourself within yourself. So they're just reminding you. They are the biggest reminders you have. They're not negative people. They're your friends who have come to actually show you what you're going through within you. Cool. Awesome. And then have a beautiful, sexy, fun-filled day. Enjoy yourself. Love yourself. And have a blast. And then I see you tomorrow. And in the evening, I have again 8 until 20th. Sad calls, stress, I can't even say a sad call, stress, anxiety and the depression call. Anybody who is going through, anybody who's joined in new, there's a stress, anxiety, depression call which I'm doing on Facebook live every day, 8 to 8:15. How to manage people? What do you mean by how to manage people? If you can manage yourself, Nitish, you can manage the world. So can you ask me a more detailed question? Ask me another question around this, please. Meanwhile, I'll let them know you type your question. Ask me this question in a different way. Yeah, so the stress call, sad call, stress, anxiety, depression. Any questions? Anybody is going through the stress, anxiety, and depression in the family or anywhere? Please join us on the Facebook. It's Aradhana Tiwari, Be the Change, a page on the Facebook. You can join us. Who is loyal on face and behind you they have other face? Ah, that is the question. I love the question, Nitish. Are you loyal to you, darling? are you are you really loyal to you? So how much double faced are you within you? Do you really want to see the real side of you, Nitish, if I may ask? You, what are they gifting you that you're unwilling to receive? What is loyal? Loyal is a judgment. Because according to you, your standards of loyalty would be that this person should do so and so and so. But in his world, if that does not exist, what does that mean? How can, it's very crazy in my world. How can what I think, you can think the same? No, we two people cannot think, even the two twins cannot think the same. I have been brought up in my own atmosphere. You have been brought up in your own atmosphere. So how can my word and your word, even your parents and your words won't match, Nitish? So loyalty is just a judgment that we get ourselves limited to. What is loyalty? You have to be loyal to you. I'm grateful for that person who's ever showing that different face to you, because that person is at least being loyal to themselves. If you cannot be even loyal to yourself, then you can never be loyal to anybody anyways. I don't have double faith. You are a liar, Nitish. You definitely have a double face. Go look into your world. What are you hiding yourself from? And who are you hiding yourself from? So you probably will say something else. You will do something else. You're yourself so like in your words, like what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. Right now, if I can sense in your body, it's like stop being so dual to yourself, Nitish. Like it's like change it. Look into your worlds, and because you're scheming all the time in your head, and then you're pretending to be somebody else and somebody's in the face. How loyal are you to you? Are you willing to be that vulnerable? This is me, take me or leave me. I wonder, how do people want people in relationship, like somebody you're pretending to be, but you can pretend for 10 days, 10 seconds, 10 months, a year. But you can't pretend your whole life. It's better people leave you right now. Like people say, oh no, it's about to get married. You know how relationships work. People are gonna get married, and before marriage, so we should immediately get them married, because maybe tomorrow the relationship breaks. I'm like, it's better to break now than to break, live in that relationship all through. Thank you. Sign is enough. Guys, you cannot see something outside you if you're not having it in you. Actually work on this today. Whatever you think the world is, there is something that's going on in your world. Be loyal to you. Be selfish. Have the self-ishq, like me. I cannot stop laughing. So, okay, fine. Forget that. So, guys, be loyal to... Loyalty is a judgment. Thanks. That was a great question, Nitish, by the way. So, loyal... And that is when we start lying to ourselves. And we are... we can see somebody as somebody, but then we don't want to see them as who they are. So first time you meet somebody, you know about that person in totality. But then you're enjoying it, and then you're enjoying that whole nastiness, and how to put out this, how to do this, how to be this. You then keep doing, you pretend within yourself, and you start lying to yourself. No. Maybe this person was nice person, but I did not see the person's side. Cool? Awesome. Selfish. Thank you, Pretty Zinta too. I'm Aradhana. I'd rather be Aradhana. I don't have to be Preeti Zinta, but thank you, whatever that means to you. But thank you. Hope that helps, Nitish. Start looking yourself. Stop pretending. Why would you like to? I think, Nitish, you're really what I'm right now, because that's my capacity. I go into anybody's head. Anybody asks me a question. You're really screwed up in your relationships. So sorry to use that word. This is not. It's like, you're looking for something very fake in the world. Be your friend first. My phone came in. So be kind to yourself. Be loyal to yourself. Know who you are, what you truly desire, and then go find the world. It's such a big world. you're looking for somebody, you can't have it, somebody you want it, and it's only for a while. That's not gonna work. If that works, keep enjoying that. Also, I know I get into everybody's details. Sorry, guys. That was it. I'm not getting into his details anymore. I'm disconnecting everything. That is fucking pod. And anybody else? Sorry. All right. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? No. All right. Then see you guys tomorrow. Have fun. Have sex. Have a joyful day. Bye bye. Take care.